Viral nga sa social media ang post ng mga kaibigan ni Bea Alonzo kung saan ay nagbanding nga ito. Hindi lang yan dahil ang road manager ni Bea Alonzo ay nagpost din at makikita na very sweet si Bea Alonzo at ang nasabi nga pong rumored boyfriend nito na si Vincent Ko. Ang nasabing billionaire heirs ng Pure Gold. Hindi lamang Pure Gold ang kanilang businesses. Napakadami pa po. Dahil dito, nagkaroon na naman ng kani-kaniyang opinyon ng mga netizens. Say nila, kung siya na nga ang the one ni Bea. 50-50 pa, uncertain kung magkatuluyan sila. They will prove you wrong. May nanalo na. Huyo kayo lahat kay Bea. Tatahi-tahimik tapos biglang pasabog. Mas malaki ngayon ang engagement ring niya for sure. 1 year max packs, 40 ni Bea at sila pa din gora na sa kasal. Bagay na bagay sa lahat ng bagay. Say pa ng ilan, pasabog, we will be happy for her if ever but parang wala ng exciting part. All nega and pinasabog na kasi niya before. Both nega and post life events niya. Why are people excited? Because she found a rich one? They are not even married yet. We will see. She obviously got pressured to find a rich one, cause of social expectations. She is trying so hard. I feel bad for her. To be honest, if this guy wasn't rich, really nothing special. I mean, he's not a head turner. Say naman ng isa, and for her, he is just a nice and rich guy. He is a billionaire, but she is wealthy. Hindi si Bea magpapaka-angel, so he will stay. I have a feeling na ito na yung para kay Bea kasi hindi mo ma-secure since he is ultra rich at may itsura din. I'm happy for her. Go B. Yes, he has a million choices, but his one and only choice is Bea. Bea doesn't have to change herself. She can do and say what she wants. Binasted na nga noon. Still, he courted her again. Bea doesn't need him. She said marriage is not always an endgame. Bea is an independent woman and she knows her worth. Good luck to Vincent. Si Vincent Ko at Bea Alonzo yata daw kasi ang tinutukoy sa nasabi nga pong ibinahagi kamakailan lamang ni Sian Gasa na di umano ay niligawan na ni Vincent Ko noon si Bea Alonzo pero binasted nito. At dahil umiidad na nga raw si Bea, ay nawala na rin daw ito ng choice. Kaya, nang ligawan ulit siya ni Vincent Ko, ay sinagot na ito. But anyway, sabi nga, baka hindi talaga yung mga past ni Bea ang para sa kanya. Dahil malalaman mo lang ito kapag dumating talaga yung tamang panahon. Say ng marami, very blessed si Bea Alonzo at Vincent Ko sa isa't isa. Dahil both financially stable at parehong gwapo at maganda. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.